I just got the new O2 sensor installed in the 5.2, and hopefully no more check engine light. If it comes back up, then it's got to be the MSD ignition wires or the MSD digital 6AL ignition box. But at this point, you know, I should probably just pull the bulb out. Definitely gonna have to drive it a few times to figure out if this check engine light comes back on, but I don't know, you know, I'm giving up after this. If it comes back, it is what it is. Gotta pull the bulb out. This is the best it's driven in probably about a year. Not just saying that because the check engine light is currently not on the dash, but after replacing the map sensor and this O2 sensor, it's finally actually running perfectly, and I mean that. I am having a slight transmission slip, but that's only at the higher RPMs. But keep in mind, I'm on the original TorqueFlite 44RE transmission with Transgo shift kit, and it also still has the stock torque converter, which is only rated at, I believe, 2,000 or 2,200 RPM, so it's a very low stall torque converter. The factory one is very shitty, and it's very worn out on this Jeep. I need to upgrade to a 2400 stall converter, and I probably need a transmission rebuild sometime soon. I'm working on those finances. It's not really a priority because it runs really good 99% of the time, but it's something that I need to look out for. On my 5.9, it has the 4.6 RE transmission. What I really should do is find a 4.6 RE transmission and put it in this Jeep, because those things are better, they're stronger, they're more heavier duty than the 4.4 RE. They shift way cleaner and they can handle more torque. So maybe instead of rebuilding this 4.4 RE, I find a 4.6 RE. There's a lot of traffic. It's rush hour in New York right now on this Tuesday. Right now, I got the cutout closed and we're in rear-wheel drive. Never really put it in four-wheel drive unless it's snowing heavily, and that's pretty much it. I keep it in rear-wheel drive about 99% of the time. Probably gonna end the video pretty soon because it's traffic. I want to keep the video under 10 minutes, but I really hope everybody's doing well out there. Try to get a pull in real quick. Down south right about now. It's right around the time of the year where I get tired of living in New York. quite well right now, I gotta say. Right here. Okay. That was good. Didn't really slip that time. Gotta give it 90% throttle. If I give it 100% throttle, it'll slip. That's the only problem now with this Jeep. True story. But yeah, it's V8. I'm signing out. Peace and blessings to everyone. See you in the next one. I'm out.